Welcome back to the channel. Everyone, today, we're diving into something truly special. The all-new 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a Scandinavian masterpiece that's redefining what luxury travel on wheels really means. Now, when you hear the name Volvo, you probably think of world-class safety, minimalist Scandinavian design, and long-lasting engineering. But in 2026, Volvo has taken those qualities and rolled them into an ultra-luxury motorhome that feels less like an RV and more like a rolling Scandinavian villa. So if you've ever dreamed of combining the open road with pure elegance and modern tech, stick around, because this Volvo motorhome is built to turn that dream into reality. Number 1, the design philosophy. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Volvo motorhome is its stunning Scandinavian-inspired design. Volvo has always been known for clean lines and understated luxury, and this RV is no exception. From the outside, it looks sleek and aerodynamic, not boxy or oversized like traditional RVs. The smooth curves, hidden slide-outs, and signature Volvo LED lighting make it stand out, whether you're parked at a campsite or pulling into a luxury RV resort. Volvo says this motorhome was designed with one mission: to bring the essence of Scandinavian living to the open road. That means natural materials like wood, stone, and eco-friendly fabrics inside, all balanced with futuristic technology. Number 2, luxury interior. Step inside, and you'll instantly feel like you've walked into a Scandinavian penthouse apartment rather than a vehicle. The layout is open, airy, and full of natural light thanks to panoramic glass windows and a skylight roof. The living area comes with a Scandi-style sofa, a fireplace feature, and a hidden 55-inch OLED TV that rises from a cabinet when you need it. The kitchen is just as impressive. We're talking about stone countertops, induction cooktops, a built-in espresso machine, and smart storage solutions that maximize space without clutter. Volvo even offers an optional wine fridge, because why not bring a touch of Stockholm luxury to the campground? The bedroom is a retreat of its own with a queen-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, and noise-canceling insulation for peaceful sleep. And yes, the bathroom feels more like a spa, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and sustainable water-saving tech. This isn't just an RV, it's a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Number 3, technology and smart living. But Volvo didn't stop at looks. They packed this motorhome with cutting-edge technology. Everything is controlled through a central smart hub or directly from your smartphone. You can dim the lights, adjust the climate, check your battery levels, or even preheat the shower, all with a single tap. It's also fitted with voice-activated assistance, facial recognition entry, and adaptive climate control that learns your preferences over time. On top of that, the 2026 Volvo motorhome has 5G connectivity and satellite internet, so you're always connected, whether you're working remotely or streaming Netflix in the middle of Yellowstone. Number 4, power and performance. Let's talk about what's under the hood. Volvo has equipped this motorhome with a hybrid electric powertrain, combining a clean diesel engine with a high-capacity battery pack. That means you get extended driving range, instant torque for mountain roads, and reduced emissions compared to traditional motorhomes. For short trips around a campground or into town, you can even drive fully electric. The chassis is designed for smooth handling, with air suspension, advanced driver assist features, and Volvo's industry-leading safety systems. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. This RV drives with the same confidence as a premium SUV, only bigger. Number 5, sustainability. In true Volvo fashion, sustainability is front and center. The interior uses recycled materials, eco-certified woods, and low-impact fabrics. Solar panels on the roof help charge the batteries, while smart water recycling systems reduce waste. Volvo wants this motorhome to represent not just luxury travel, but responsible travel, a concept more and more people are embracing. Number 6, pricing and market. Now the big question, what does this rolling Scandinavian villa cost? The 2026 Volvo motorhome starts at around $850,000, with premium packages pushing it closer to $1.2 million. That puts it in the ultra-luxury RV category, competing with models from Mercedes, Prevost, and even Rolls-Royce. But for that price, you're not just buying an RV. You're buying a lifestyle of effortless luxury, cutting-edge tech, and timeless Scandinavian design. So there you have it, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a breathtaking fusion of luxury, innovation, and sustainability. Would you trade a traditional vacation home for a rolling Scandinavian villa like this? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of motorhomes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more luxury vehicle reviews and road trip inspiration. Until next time, travel smart, travel safe, and maybe travel Scandinavian style.